Hi, I'm Christy Williams, the Youth Engagement Officer for the Hawthorne and Rydfelin area, and we're here this evening at the Ieuenctid Community Centre to run Youth Club and our very successful Digital Bench project. The Digital Bench was started to try and encourage more young people to engage with the Woodward project and to learn new skills, but it's now evolved to a much larger project. This project in particular attracts a wide range of young people, particularly the hard to reach. Because it's a hands-on physical project, young people really enjoy getting the saws out and obviously learning new skills for life, they tell me, some of which have gone on to do carpentry courses as a result of being engaged in the project. The first Digital Bench project we undertook worked exceptionally well with a very good engagement from the young people. The project actually went on to win a Sustainable Academy Award for being the first of its kind in Wales. The bench also doubled into a homeless shelter and was widely accepted by the general public. Due to COVID, we've actually now taken the project outside. It's great to just have the opportunity to offer a project to the young people because due to COVID, there hasn't been that opportunity and they've really missed out. This time round, it was brought about because some of the young people in the area approached the detached youth workers because they had nothing to do. They were engaging in antisocial behaviour in the area, and they were just keen to just get involved in something. The young people have chosen to site the Digital Bench down at Hawthorne High School. The majority of the young people involved in the project are actually pupils at Hawthorne High School.
As you can see, we're finally here for the Digital Bench build. It's only taken us 2 years, but I'm really pleased to say that we're building the bench today. As you can see behind me, it's all hands on deck. Everyone's, all the young people that are involved here at Hawthorne High School building the bench here today. Really excited, can't wait to see the final product, and I'm so proud of the young people. As you can see, we finally finished the bench. You know, it's been an amazing day. The young people have worked so hard, along with the EggSeeds, Sam from EggSeeds, keeping them in check. I'm just incredibly proud of them and the end result.
It helped me a lot in college. Like when I want to go to college, I know our knowledge out to like do stuff more properly. Like 2 years ago, I didn't have a clue how to, you know, cut wood properly. But now I have our knowledge of probably knowing how to cut wood and measure and all.
The project has been about helping young people, and it's been really enjoyable as of today and all the other weeks. I've enjoyed the teamwork aspect, working with others, working with Sam, Christy, all the youth workers, everyone else involved.
I've enjoyed building this bench because my brothers James and Sean, they've like I don't know, they've inspired me to help do this bench with the youth club.
The bench has taken a long time. We've been doing this process over 2 years on the back of the older youth that used to come to the club. Their design and their installation in Pontypridd at St Catherine's Church. The young people loved what they did and they wanted to build another one for another project. So here we are installing the digital bench 2 years on due to COVID. The young people have done great effort to keep coming back and keep inspired and sort of passionate about the project. Overall, the digital project's been amazing. The young people have been fantastic. It's been on so well, in fact, that we've managed to get some recognition for it, and we're going to be rolling out another 11 of these benches across RCT. So I'm really looking forward to what comes next. And what we're going to do with these young people is challenge them, and we're going to make a pedal-powered solar shelter.